Hello, my name is James Neathery. Welcome to the Banking with Life Q&A series. This is where I answer your questions concerning the infinite banking concept. So let's get started. In this question, John asked, could you please give the name of the mutual company that you would recommend? No, not just going to promote companies ad hoc. I believe it's mutual life insurance companies against the world. In our practice, we use more than one company. And the companies that we use for very particular reasons, okay? They're very old. They're very stable. They have very strong balance sheets. They're over 100 years old. They've never failed to pay a dividend. They don't play games with their dividends, so they don't illustrate dividends if there's no intentions of paying. We prefer non-direct recognition life insurance companies, and we prefer to work with companies who understand this philosophy. Why would I want to do business with somebody who doesn't agree with the way I think or has a different philosophy than I do? You know, a loan provision of a life insurance contract is a provision of a contract. So if I have a life insurance policy and it has a loan provision in it, it doesn't matter what the company says or doesn't say or what they think or what they don't think. I have a contractual right to exercise that loan provision. Now, consequently, I would rather work with a company that understands that I may collateralize that cash value and exercise my contractual right. I don't want to work with a company who doesn't think that I know what to do with money, right? And therefore they're the savior. They're going to limit my, thinking and be dependent upon them. I mean, it's just the way we think. It's the way they think. That can go too damn deep too. This is a statement. James, I love the podcast and the coffee mug. Thinking of come and take it. Moulin Abbey, right? Keep the content coming. It's great. And I'm sharing it with all of my clients. Perfect. You're welcome. And thank you for the comments. I need to get an ANCAP cup. All right. And there's a lot of cups that I should get and promote and merch it up. But thank you for noticing. All right. This question, James, why did you wait to put $30,000 into the policy to buy the truck? Why wasn't the $30,000 in your policy a long time before, increasing in cash value and earning dividends? That's a great question. The $30,000 that I put into that policy to purchase the truck, I had that ability to do that because I had lowered the premiums in the previous years into that policy. I assure you, premium was being paid into other policies. Okay, so that's a great example of I built those policies as a place to put money in the future. And that's exactly what I did. And then I financed the truck, and then I went through the whole machination of financing of that truck. I'm still driving the truck today. The policy is still in force. There's a greater cash value, a greater face amount, and greater dividends because I financed the truck the way I did it with that policy. Okay, James, do you respond to comments? Yes, for the most part, especially the good ones, but we do not indulge what we deem or consider noise. Okay. Hey guys, have you made or plan to make a video that does a heads up comparison of infinite banking against persons or systems that are largely financially debt free? I hear many comparisons against those carrying credit card balances or mortgages, but what about compared to truly debt free plans or the individual? Thanks for your thoughts. Well, now let's talk about that for a minute. Debt free. You can't even be debt free in the society that we live in today. Right? Your property that you own, free and clear, quote unquote, just don't pay property taxes on that. See how long it takes for you to be separated from your property. Right? So I don't think that we can live in a debt-free society completely. But we've done lots of presentations, and I think most of them are client-only access. I don't have to have debt to practice banking, right? I mean, banking is happening in your life as we speak. We're all banking. Right? And what is banking? Banking is a movement of money, deposits, withdrawals, loans, loan repayments. There's a river of money flowing through your personal economy. The question is, how much of it do you control? And so, no, you don't have to be in debt. I don't have to practice banking with life insurance just to get out of debt. That's something that can be done with life insurance. If you look at life insurance and all the characteristics of life insurance just as it is, they're pretty dang powerful. So the short answer is I think that we've done lots of heads up comparisons, and we've even done illustrations or examples, modules of people using life insurance that are not getting out of debt. As a matter of fact, I don't believe personally that that's where you should start, is to just get out of debt. This velocity, running money through this debt-free, this whole construct of, if you're buried in debt, get the life insurance policy in force and become your own banker. Can you do that? Yes, you can do that. But you did not pile up an uber amount of debt because you have an uber amount of discipline. This idea of saving money seems to be discounted in today's environment. You can't save enough money. I can't save enough money. We should all have a plan, a clear plan, a path, a discipline to save money. Well, if that's true, and I think it is, then where should you put your money? Where should you save your money? Where should you build your cash? Where should you build your money? Where should you warehouse your money? Where should you store your money? And when you consider it from that standpoint, the fundamental basics of life insurance, the cash value of life insurance, is a place to put money. It's a store of value. I digress a little, but it's okay to pile up a bunch of money even if you don't have any debt. What's wrong with that? Nothing's wrong with that. Thank you for listening. If you have a question that you would like an answer to, email us at james@bankingwithlife.com. If you're watching us on YouTube, please be sure to like and subscribe and join us weekly for content. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Mulan Ebe. Live free and independent. Come and take it. Live free or die. Taxation is theft of private property.
We're good.
Yeah, I'm just saying.